Nice work, Turbo Racing. I had to decase this RX because it's too tall to fit with the plugs. So I'm trying to take it out of its casing, and hopefully that'll shrink it down enough to where the body will be able to fit all the way on. Alright, I tried my best at resoldering that antenna. Let's hope that it works. Alright, we're steering up. Boy, this waterproof stuff here is not really sticky at all. And we'll take our sensor for our gyro. Put that in there like that. Throttle. And sensor for our gyro. We'll put that in channel 3. Nope, that's aux. Channel 3. I don't know if this is going to be taller or shorter. I just don't think so. Try and fit it with the body one more time. Other than that, I'm going to have to do some custom workaround. I don't want to pull too much on that antenna. Should turn it on and make sure it works. I don't have a lot of battery juice in my controller. Gyro's blinking. Alright, gyro's still blinking. I don't know if it's because my controller batteries are low. I'm at 4.0. Oh, it's not even. Whoa. That's really twitchy. Alright. Ooh. How do you turn that down? Like as soon as it jitters it. I don't know. Well, the steering seems to be working. Let's get it up. Let's get it up in the air and see if we can hit throttle. Oh, throttle's not working. Oh. Okay. The controller's really sensitive. Alright, we'll turn that off. Alright. It moves. It moves. Yay! Alright, we gotta get some bolts so we can tighten this up. Tighten these tires up. And then we gotta oh yeah, the RX, I did solder that down. We need to, I'm over here being all forgetful. Oh, the body, we want to see if that even works. Set you guys right here. Alright, just trying to get the body on. Even with me decasing it, I think I might have to do solder directly straight to the RX. No, I think decasing it gave it enough room to fit the body. Yeah, we just gotta get those side ones on, get these tires on. I know you guys are tired of looking at this ugly car being all jinked up, but Alright, it's looking like it's fitting better. If we decase the electronics, and I'm pressing on the rear of the body. Trying to get it to just sit directly on the chassis. My table's not all that smooth. It's probably not going to be able to turn with these tires. These tires may be a little too wide, but let me know how you guys think, how this build's turning out. I'm pretty happy with this build. I don't know, I kind of like it without the spoiler. But I do want to print a nice GT wing for it. Oh, I want to do lights. I would like to fit a soundboard in there, but that's too much. We got a gyro in there. That's good enough. And I do want to try out the Dace's Mikuru gyro for this. I just got to get a FR Sky remote. I don't know. I don't even know where I can get another receiver for this radio. But I heard you guys. Like, share, subscribe. And as always, peace and love. God bless. Let's see if this can turn. Yeah, these tires are too wide for it to turn. We're going to have to shrink up the measurement on these tires. Yeah, we got to shrink up the measurement on these tires for it to turn like that. But that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be super dope. Oh, alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe, peace and love. God bless. See you guys in the next video. Super excited about this. I know I said that I was done recording, but I had to show you guys this clip. I kind of got the body on a little bit. The masking tape is not a design, it's literally holding on the side body mounts. I don't know if it's supposed to be like protruding out like that, or it's kind of bulging out, or if I am supposed to cut in here on these body mounts. I just got them taped on right now. I just wanted to let you guys know. And then these tires are massively too big for this car. I gotta scale these tires down. I'm gonna scale them by the inside of the scale of those tires that came with it. But the body's on. You can put Kyosho Mini Z's on the Atomic DRZ. That's kind of the reason why I wanted to build this kit in the first place. I wanted to prove to myself that I would be able to fit Mini Z body on an Atomic frame. I know a lot of people do it, but I wanted to have the confidence for myself to be able to do it. So yeah, this is it. We got a fast car now in the garage, in the shop, and yeah, started to install the turbos and get the exhaust ran and get it all ready for paint. Man, I really like these wide tires, but that toe is ridiculous going inside like that. It does look wicked with those wide tires though. But alright, you guys, peace out.